Hello, my dear students. Now we are going to be start the part 3, chapter 15, improvement of food resources, class 9th. The subtopic is animal husbandry. In first and second part, already we are talking about the agriculture, cropping patterns, their storage, their control, their protection, and the greenhouse. Now we are going to be covered its last topic, that is the animal husbandry. Okay, what is animal husbandry? Animal husbandry is a branch of agriculture. Okay, which deals the feeding, caring, the breeding of the domestic animals. Okay, it means we are going to be. Animals are also our food supplement. Na? They are also provide our food. That's why we have to be produce them and care them in a pretty well manner. First branch is cattle farming, second is poultry farming, third is fish farming, and fourth is beekeeping. Okay, in cattle farming. So we are talking about first the cattle farming. The cattle farming means we have to be rearing and caring of the domestic animals, like a milk animals, like a draught animals. These are the two animals over here. We can domesticate them. Milk animal like a cow, buffalo. Sometimes we have a questions ki name some Indian varieties of the cow, give the foreign varieties of cow. American cow is there, the Indian desi cow is there, right? So you have to be answer them. Okay, though we are domesticated them for the milk, whereas the draught labor, we are use them for the agriculture work, like the tilting, irrigation, and the carting, which is we call buffalo. For the bullock cart, for the hull, like. Second one is poultry farming. We know the poultry farming is raise the domestic fowl of the egg production and the chicken meat. So we are doing the poultry farming for the two things, for the egg and for the chicken. They are called the layers and boilers. Layers means who provide the eggs, lay eggs, where the boilers which is breed for their chicken, for their muscles, right? So these are the two kinds. We have to be understand the difference between the boilers and layers, right? These are the part of the poultry farming of hen. Otherwise, duck and other birds are also domesticated for the poultry farming as well, right? Here, there's a new term is a indigenous species. Indigenous species means the breed of India, where the foreign species means the species from the foreign. So here's some example of this one. A seal is the indigenous species, whereas the leghorn is a foreign species. Fish production. This is also called the pisciculture. Okay. So we have two kind of a fish. First is capture fishery, another is a culture fishery. Capture fishery, it means it's a marine fishery or inland fishery, which is we are not growing by ourselves. They are growing naturally. We are going to be capture the marine fish. Goan people, they know about very well. Another one is inland fishery. They know about very well. Inland, it means in the internal area where there's the not salted water, it's a fresh water. These are also called freshwater fisheries, right? Here's another type is culture fisheries. When man-made sources are using over there, there are also two types, mariculture, when we are using the marine and culture them over here. And second one is aquaculture. In aquaculture, other the three types, cage culture, integrated fish culture, and the composite fish culture. Cage culture means in a cage, inside the water, we are going to be grow them. Okay. Integrated means two or three. The composite fish culture means different kind of a fish on a low level up to the higher level, we are going to be grow them. Right? That is a fish productions. Now, here are some figures of the marine fisheries. Okay. We have a 7,500 kilometer of coastline in the deep seas area. So many varieties of fish we are taken from them. That is a pomfret, mackerel, tuna, sardines, Bombay duck, and besides that, I think crab something, and you know very well. Okay, so I'm going to be repeat all the things once again. And here the last point is beekeeping. This is also called the apiculture. Okay, it is not written over here, so I told you orally. Beekeeping. Beekeeping means rearing caring of honeybee for the honey and the wax. Pisciculture, rearing caring of the fish for the fish, right? Poultry farming for the birds, cattle farming for the milk and the draught animals. Besides that, there is another thing, blue revolution related to the pisciculture. It means production of fish. Yellow revolution, which is increased in the production of the oil crops like sarson. Golden revolution, it is a new for you. Okay, it is expected to increase the production of the pulses, right? Now, we are talking about the white revolution. It is increase the production of milk. We are already talking about the green revolutions. A new term is over here, sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture means use of the manures, etc., biofertilizers, vermicompost. That's why our future will not be polluted. So, okay, that's all about this chapter. You have to do the NCERT questions right now. Okay, please provide the feedback on my mail ID, right? What we are learned today, animal husbandry, types of animal husbandry, right? Poultry farming. Besides that, pisciculture, apiculture, fish farming, okay, cattle farming, right? So bye-bye, take care and have a nice study.